But here's the key. If you want to retire and you want $5,000 a month when you retire, you must ask and answer this question to yourself, not to me. Where am I going to get $5,000 a month when I retire? If I stop working, where does the money come from? That's a real question. Because if you stop working, just like the Jim said, I'm going to have to keep working. I need some money. I don't see. The Bible says, where there's no vision, he got no vision to see. He got no vision, so he said, I just got to keep working. Now, I'm not trying to I'm not trying, I know it's funny, but I'm not trying to make it funny. But here's the deal. As young as you are, if you get this vision, that I need $1 million for every $5,000 I want to retire. Now you can save $500 a month till you're 65, 70 years old, and you have $1 million. Now you have $5,000 a month. See, here's the thing. If you build a business, you have to build a business where that income is not based upon you working. So that's called residual income. If you build a business and you want to retire, then you can retire from the job or the business you got, and then that business keep making you money. That's called residual income. So if you're going to retire, you're going to either have to have from your job, better say $500 a month, or from the business, you better build a business that give you residual income. I was straight. Now you're looking at me like, well, why the heck am I going to get $500 from the save? Okay? I'm going to tell you where you get $500 from the save in a few minutes, okay? But you have the money. Everybody in this room that work a job, and God allow you to work for a rightful, to what we call a rightful old age of 65, 70 years of age. And you working since you were 25, 30 years old. He gave you enough money that you could have retired on, but you didn't neglect to do it. Because you were destroyed for a lack of knowledge.